What's going on there, everyone? Welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to be once again looking at the stock OPK. Link in the description to the playlist, as I have done quite a few videos on this stock, and it is a stock that I currently own. This video is for educational purposes and does not give a trade recommendation. I have had a couple requests lately, though, of people wanting to know, as I posted the video back here in on November, as I drew this box and said that OPK was breaking out, wanting to know what my plan is now with my shares and if I would take another look at the charts. So here we go. Here's the box that I was forming on OPK, and as soon as it kind of started to break above that box, I went ahead and entered a position long on the stock. You'll see this trend line, which has been very much respected here on OPK. You see we came down, did a nice little cut, top of this channel, back down, back up, and then we made this lower or higher low, came up another higher low, which is bullish, 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 and then finally made a push up towards this all-time high here at 647. And now what are we doing? We pulled back a little bit, but we're still above this trend line, which it would not be uncommon for us to go ahead and back test this trend line. So from this perspective, everything still looks positive. Everything is bullish, and so I am holding my shares. And go ahead and take a look. They do have earnings coming up here soon as well, so that always can be volatile. But at this point, let's take a look at some other charts, but based on this is the daily chart, I am still holding my shares, and I remain very bullish on Opko Health, OPKO. Let's take a look at a few of the other charts. This chart that we're looking at right now, these candles are not colored based on up or down closes. This is a momentum tracking kind of slim ribbon is what it's called. So this is what I'm watching here. You can see when you get this arrow, this means momentum's up, momentum's down. So you see right now we are completely green. We're above all of these moving average spreads. So on the one-day chart, momentum is up. 1 hour chart, we do have some negative. We did go negative here a little bit, but we are starting to once again push price up, so we would hopefully like to see that go back to neutral and then back to positive. Let's look down at the 30-minute chart. Same thing, red. The 15-minute chart finally did go green. So still just kind of keeping an eye on this a little bit, as you know, some of these indicators on the smaller time frames do move quite often. But you see we're still staying above this trend line. So this is the price that I'm watching right now, is that trend line on the daily chart as it kind of pushes up to see if price stays up above. And we're kind of going to start forming in here. Maybe we'll do another little channel and hopefully move higher. If we start breaking below this channel, that will start raising concerns, and we'll have to take another look at, you know, if it's still a good idea to stay in the stock. If we get back into where we broke out of this box, then it might be game over.
Game over.